My little green world. I've always had a deep love for plants. There's something magical about watching a tiny seed turn into a leaf, a bud, and then a beautiful flower. My home may be small, not grand or perfect, but my dreams are big and full of life. Many people wait for the right time, the right space, or the perfect home to begin their garden, but I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to silence my passion while waiting for someday. So I started planting right here, in small pots, broken cups, old buckets, and every little corner that could hold a bit of soil and hope. And slowly, something wonderful happened. My little home began to breathe. Every corner that once looked empty started blooming with green leaves and colourful flowers. And then came the life, the real magic. Now, birds visit my garden every morning. Sparrows chirp around happily, and sometimes finches stop by too. Butterflies dance over the flowers, and tiny honeybees hum softly as they collect nectar. Even bumblebees hover around as if thanking me for giving them a home. Their presence fills my heart with peace and joy, because this small garden has now become a tiny world of its own. When I sit among my plants, I feel surrounded by love and life. Each leaf whispers stories of patience, and each flower smiles with gratitude. These plants remind me that beauty doesn't need big spaces. It just needs care and heart. So yes, my house may be small, but my garden, my little green world, is full of endless happiness, colour, and life.